a Greggs, you know, along here, all the typical shops. Santander Bank. Oh, the entrance just over in there as well, on the high street. Yeah. That's the entrance. Oh, you ain't going anymore. Cafe Nero. A phone workplace. There's not a lot catching my eye on this high street. Not a lot really. We're back to where we went before. CEX and Costa. iPhone 1150, iPhone 16 Pro. I love gadgets, games. Another chippy there, can you believe it? Everywhere. Burger Barn. Coco's Bar. Amusements. Guess what? Another chippy. Traditional sweet shop. Caesar's Palace, another amusements. And you can see that amusements here. We've got a sports lounge, not open at the moment. Wait till summer. All Stars Sports Bar. Yeah, I like it. Pool, snooker, darts, poker. 2 huge screens in there. We've got an arcade here. Olympia. A free house. A pub. The Regent. Drago Kiss restaurant or bar. Penny Falls Casino. Casino Lounge. Win 500. Mate, we win more than that, mate. 500, that's all. We've got the traditional kind of high street stuff. Peacocks. McDonald's. McDonald's. And just some stuff down there. Just look like normal stuff. You can see at the end of this, Grand Pier. What a view, it's nice. Nice on the camera. And over there, Free and Greggs. And Butcher's and the bakery, Winnie's. Winnie's, it's really good. And the Butcher's over there. Hatch. I thought it was a coffee shop at first, it's not. SAS down here, cafe and bar. Here we've got a nice Thai calf and a calf lamar. Yeah, looking nice, aren't they? And a Mediterranean barbecue. Quite a choice of cuisines here. And that one there, the same one, aren't they? Tattoo art studio. There's a lot of tattoo shops. Barber shops, there's a lot of barber shops as well. And we've got a Western indoor market. Some interesting places on this bit. And there's a playhouse. Looks pretty epic. Musicals and stuff. Look at that place. Cheers. It would have been good back in the day. The playhouse. Looks great. And this is a barbecue place. And the Fathead Brewery tap room. Looks great. And we've got a stable games room. Look at this. Look at this building. This is great, isn't it? And we've got a balloon, kind of a party craft place. And over here, the Black Cat. Black Cat. I'll tell you what, I'm impressed with the amount of funky looking shops and bars and stuff. I'm impressed. Interesting place here. Oriental Foods. We go in. There's a mall. Burger King. Waterstones. Got like a cafe area and the Waterstones there. Security over there, he'd be after me. You can't film in here. You can't film in here. So I'll put it away a minute. Yeah. That's it guys, hope you enjoyed the video. It's been a pleasure to have really enjoyed it. If you want to see more content like this, please subscribe and like the video. It will help our videos. And yeah, until next time, peace.